In today's tutorial, I'll be sharing with us on how to create a Facebook page account for business. Basically, before you start creating a Facebook page, Facebook business page, you need to have a Facebook account, personal Facebook account. On the screen, you can see I'm currently on my Facebook account, and this is my personal Facebook account. I'll be using this Facebook account to create a business page. So now, let's get started. Now, the first thing to do when you log in to your Facebook account, you can see here, this is the home page. The first thing to do is to locate the menu. You can see here, so the menu here is the menu. Click on the menu. Now we have clicked on the menu. Here we have, this is the settings. You can see. Now on this menu page, you can see a lot of features here. And looking at it, you can see the page. Yes, you have the page, you have save, you have video, you have friends, we have memory, group, marketplace, feed. You can see more by clicking on it to see more of the features that you can take advantage of. Now, since our goal is to create a Facebook page, so you're going to click on the Facebook page picture. Now we are here. You can see these are some of the pages that I manage. So let's try to create another Facebook account here, another Facebook page, business page. Okay. So on the screen, you can see create, discover, invite, like page, like pages. So these are basically the features here. And from here, you can see that we can decide to click, that is, you can decide to choose any one of the features. So let's start with, since we are here to create a page, let's click on create. All right, so this is the first step to get started. And if you scroll to the right, you see you can do this. You can also see this. And let's go back. Okay. Now, the next thing to do is to click on get started. Click on the get started button to move to the next interface. Let's click on it. Now we are here. The first step when it comes to creating a Facebook business page is to provide your Facebook business page name. What name is your business? Your business name. So for this tutorial, we're picking a name. Let's just call it what name should we pick? Let's just find a random name. Let's call it Galaxy. Yeah, Galaxy. Now this is Galaxy. So Galaxy is the Facebook business page name. So this is the name of the business that we are open account for. So the next step is to click on next. Oh, as you can see, page names that are too broad are not allowed. So let's call it Galaxy Food. Okay, let's see. Okay, Galaxy Food. Okay, all right. So now we are on the second stage, which is we need to choose the category that our business belongs to. We've picked the name, our business name, which is Galaxy Food. So we need to choose the category. So let's look at this. Let's look at food. Is there food? Yes. So this is food and drinks. So we belong to food and drink categories. Yes, this is the food and drink categories. So the next thing is to create the page. So we pick the name, we pick the category, and we just create. Let's click on create. Now we have created a Facebook page, but we also need to tell the Facebook algorithm what kind of what best describe our goal, right? So On this screen, you can see promote your page or service, and we have create content and connect with fans. So this basically describes our goal. What kind of goal are we creating for the Facebook business page? So I will choose create content and connect with fans. All right, so I've created that. So the next thing for us to do now is to click on continue. All right, so this is the place. This is interface where we get to customize the page, right? So what we need to do right now is to add a profile picture and a background cover picture. So let's start with the profile picture first. So click on the icon, the camera icon. Okay. All right. Let's choose this. Okay, it's loading. All right. So we pick a picture, a profile picture for our business page. Now, the next thing to do is to click on the cover, the background cover picture. So we click on the camera. Now let's choose an image here. Let's put this. Okay, it's uploading. All right, so here it is. So we've added a profile picture and a background cover picture. So let's click on next. Okay, so after customizing our business page, so what we need to do is to invite friends and families to follow us, to follow the page, to like the page, and to stay connected with the page. So to do that, this page will allow you to do that, to invite them. You can see on this interface, I only have one friend there. So you can just mark it. When you mark it, it means you can click on next. If I mark it as I've marked it, if I click on next, this friend on this list will receive the invite to follow this page. But I will not be clicking on it. I won't click it. I will unmark it rather. Then I'll move to the next interface. All right. So on this interface, you can see stay informed about your page. Turn on these features to help make the post of Galaxy Food. You can change them anytime you like marketing and promotional email about your page. Then we have the page notification on your profile. So so this is basically some of the settings that you might want to add or turn on regarding your Facebook page account. Facebook page account, yes. So now we are done with this. Let's click on done. You can see. So this is it. This is our Facebook page, Galaxy Food. We just created a new page from scratch. So from here, we get to see everything about our page. You can view, click on the professional dashboard to see. Now, scroll down, see what we've uploaded so far. Our profile picture. Now, okay, let's click on the about us. That is about the page. Click on about. Okay. Now this is about Galaxy Food. So you can see review. You can see more about the info. If you click on see all, you will see everything. If you want to edit for public view, you can click on it. So this is edit page. If you want to add anything, this is basically if you want, now this is the bio side of the page. You can add address to it. Click on address. You can add address. You can add phone number. You can add WhatsApp number. You can add email, hours of operation, price range. Just click on it. You can see this is the price range. Go back again. This is it. So these are basically how to edit the profile of the business page account. Now you can go back by clicking on go back here. Now we're here. So we can also get to see the photos that you have uploaded since you create the page. When you click on these photos, you can see these are all the photos that I have on Galaxy Food. You can see them that I've uploaded so far. Then you get to have a reel. You can create a reel for your business and you can save a reel there. Now you can also click on the more to see some of the pictures. You click on more, you can see the event mention and click on post. We've not posted anything so far. You can see there, this is our post so far, 0 posts I've started, aside from the profile picture that we uploaded earlier. Now from here, you can get to click on the professional dashboard, click on it. Oh, you can see there, welcome to the professional dashboard, Galaxy Food. As you can see here, so you manage content in one place, explore tools that support your goals, that support the business goal, and can start with challenge or explore on your own. Let's break it down. Now, this is the professional dashboard interface of Galaxy Food, the Facebook page account that we just created. And from here, you can get to see the performance of your page, how your post um, is performing. You click on insights, get to see all your posts, interaction, followers. You click on content, you click on engagement, you get to see how people are engaging with your content, monetization. You get to see this bonus, in-streams, subscriptions, and everything. So you can go back by clicking on the back button icon rather. Now we're back to the home page. So this is basically the home page of your Facebook page, of Facebook business page. So and this is, you can change this profile picture anytime and this cover picture if you want to, right? All you need to do is to click on this. When you click on the camera, you're able to change it and put the whatever number you want to, whatever picture rather you want to add. So this is the beginner tutorial on how to create a Facebook business page. Thank you for watching, and